Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're the part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free 99. It costs you nothing. All you have to do is hit the red subscribe button, and that's it. Nothing else. No first point, no first blood. You ain't got to draw no blood. You ain't got to send no blood. Nothing. You don't have to send me any money. None of that. You just have to hit the button. If you're not new here, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And if you're not getting a notification, don't forget to put on your notification bells. Let's get into today's video, you guys. We will be setting up our 2024 binder for cash variable expenses. Over here on my channel, I do a hybrid type of budget system where some is digital and some is in cash and cash budgeting. So I am setting up the cash portion of that. I have an older wallet, which I use now, which is kind of falling apart. And so during Black Friday, I purchased this wallet from Nash's wallet. And I love it. There is a more thorough walkthrough of it all on another video, which I will link down below. Clearly, I got glitter all over it. But there are some envelopes that my friend Lisa sent me in this beautiful wallet as well. But I'll be putting all these little extra envelopes back in here when I take them out. So all we're going to do is move over my everyday envelopes from here that she gave me filled with money, you guys, to the proper wallet. Now we're going to go over what was in there because I have not used any of this money. I have not touched this money. I've not used this money. I've counted it maybe once or twice just in like gratitude, but I haven't touched the money. So this also brings up another point, which is what I'm going to try to do for 2024, y'all, because she sent me pretty much a month's worth of each thing minus one thing. Excuse me. I'm going to try to I'm trying to do my variable expenses a month ahead. So because which worked out perfectly, and she didn't even know this, but I wanted to start meal planning for the month. And so now that I have a month's worth of grocery money, which I may throw another $20 in there to even it out, if I can find it in the budget, it will help me to be able to grocery shop for the whole month without thinking about it. And then my next first paycheck of January, I just put the money aside as if I was going to cash stuff it, but instead I'm going to put it in an account or take it out and stuff it into like next month, So let's get started. Let's open this up and open this up. Oh, those are tough. Okay, so first we have groceries, and let me show you how much was sent to me. So groceries has $150, $60, which is normal for me because I usually give myself $80 every 2 weeks. I am a bi-weekly budgeter, so I get paid every 2 weeks. And there is also a tracker in here so I can keep track. You guys know I'm doing my low buy year next year, so I'm tracking everything. So if at all possible, I'd like to make this first month, instead of $160, I would like to add another $40 to this and make it $200 to start off, just to start off. And so groceries is the first thing. Then I'm going to put these in the order that I like them. I'm going to take them out and put them in the order that I like them, that the way they are in my envelope now. So I usually do gas next. Gas normally gets $60 every 2 weeks. I think she gave me, $150, $60. She actually gave me $80, which is what it used to be. So I'm going to keep it at $160. And I might even just keep rolling this over, or I haven't decided whether this money is going to go towards like funding something else like we were doing with the emergency fund this year. So we'll see. So that is amazing. And then usually it's gas, groceries, allowance, and then self-care. But the way she did it was she actually separated, which is another thing that's going to change, which is I'm going to put self-care next. So self-care, she gave me 24. Why are they falling? These envelopes are slippery. 20, 40, 60. I might add another one because normally I give myself every 2 weeks $40. So I'll add probably another 20 in here if I can remember I'm supposed to be doing this. So 20, 40, 60 if I'm able to. If not, this will be what it is for the month. Then instead of just having allowance, she split it up as have fun and eating out, because I had an allowance and all I would do with it was eating out. So she was like, you need 2 categories. So she gave me 2 categories. So I'm not sure how I'm going to be able to fund both of these, but for the first month, eating out has a lot, like a lot. I never give myself, she gave me $160 for eating out, you guys. I give myself $30 every 2 weeks. So I went from 60 to 160. It is crazy to me. So even if it means like taking some money out of some of these, and some of these I might decide to like just roll into the next month, but I haven't decided yet. So eating out will be its own category. And then have fun, which is like me doing something nice for myself. She also gave me money for, and that is, not going to put that up there, 50, 60, 60, I'm sorry, 50, 60, 70, $5. 50, 60, 70, $5. Which I've never had this category. So this is new for me. I don't know if I'd be giving myself $75 per month, which I know is probably like a great amount, but unfortunately I don't know that my budget will allow for me to do that. I feel like I missed one. I did. And then giving, I will fill this up myself. I normally do $5 or $10 in giving, so I will refill this. When we come to this first week in January, I will fill this money up. And then she actually gave me fitness, and fitness is normally $40 a month for my Zumba class, so she gave me $40. I'm actually not 100% sure that I'm going to keep Zumba for next year. As much as I love it, I'm thinking I might just join like a Planet Fitness for 10 or 12 bucks a month and save some money on workout and just make myself go on the treadmill or something boring like that, or I'll work out at home. I don't like that though. The thing with me with my fitness is that if I work out at home, I sometimes don't want to do it. Better for me to do something outside of the house. And sometimes with like a gym like Planet Fitness, I will like say I'm going to go, or I'll go and then I'll be bored because it's just a treadmill to do or something like that to do. But we'll see. We shall see. So that is everything stuffed and what's currently in these envelopes in the new wallet also. So this is super cute. I'm not going to add any of my cards or any of my ID or anything right now because they're still in my regular wallet for the rest of this month. But I thought this cute card from Goldmine and Coco was really pretty, and it fits pretty well in this spot for now. And it just says, there is nothing more classic, timeless, refined than a life well lived. And I really love that right there. And then I got a pen from them too, Goldmine and Coco, so I think I will put that pen in here for now as well. Should have bought 2. And that is the stuffing. That is what we're doing right now. We're going to be trying to do a month ahead in this particular binder going forward. And I haven't figured out the categories yet because I haven't figured out what my new check will be. Once I know what my new check will be, then I'll know how I get allocated. But it's really nice. Thank you again so much, Lisa, to be able to do a month ahead of time. But yep, guys, that is the new wallet, and we're set for the first paycheck of January now, and I love how it clips. I will put some coins and things in there before the month gets started, and all my cards will be transferred over, but y'all don't need that part. But let me know what you think of my system, of the wallet, of the envelopes. What are you doing? Are you doing anything new with your cash envelope systems this year? Let me know in the comments. All right, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye.